In this lesson, we're going to take a look at getting started with links inside Brizy. Let's use this button as an example. We'll select it and choose the little chain link icon from the pop-up menu. We'll select that, and inside there we now have 4 different sections we can use to work with links. We've got URLs, blocks that allow us to jump to various different parts of our design. We can work with pop-ups we create inside Brizy, and we can also link to files. Let's go ahead and start off by taking a look at the URL options. So first of all, we've got the link to, and this is where we could drop in a link to any different link we want, whether it's internal links to our site or to an external link like Google. For this example, let's stick with Google. So we'll drop the link in, and now we can go ahead and use any of the other options we have below. We can open this in a new tab by selecting the switch, and we can also make it a no-follow link by again selecting the switch. You can see, very easy to do. We can also work with various different forms of dynamic data. You can see this little database symbol. We can select that, and inside there are a range of different options. We'll take a look at working with databases in its own dedicated video a little later. Before we move on, let's just test this out. Let's disable these switches. Let's go ahead and save or update our page. And let's take a look at previewing this. There's our page. Let's click our button, and you see that now opens up google.com for us. Now we've seen how to easily handle URLs. Let's take a look at the block option. First of all, let's clear anything inside our link to and reset any of the values we have inside the new tab and no follow options. Now if we switch over to block, you can see this will show us a visual mock-up of each of the different sections throughout our entire design. You can select any of these and click to give it a name, which I would recommend doing, especially if you're working on more complex designs. You can see with this section, I've called this services. So all we need to do is select the services block, and that's basically it. We've now created a link that'll just jump straight through to that block when this button is clicked. So again, let's do the same thing. Let's go ahead and update our page and click preview to take a look at this in action. So now we come over to our read more button. We'll click on this, and that takes us straight to the services section as part of our design on this page. Really simple, but can be incredibly effective. Now the next option we have when it comes to working with links is pop-up. So let's click on the pop-up option, and inside there you can see we now have a very simple box. We can choose a pop-up. Let's click on the plus. Now we can go ahead and create our own pop-up. We can use any of the saved pop-ups we may have created previously, or for our example, we're simply going to start off with one of the pre-built pop-ups just to show you how it all works. Let's go ahead and choose this Black Friday option. And that's basically inserted that into our design. All we need to do now is click update, and then we can preview this and test it all out. So there's our page. All we need to do is click our button one more time, and there's our pop-up in action. Incredibly simple to do. So the fourth and final option we have when it comes to links are files. So again, let's choose our button, hop over to the file section, and all we need to do is click on the plus to upload a file to the Brizy server. I've found the file that I want to upload, and I'll select that. We'll click open, and that will then go ahead and upload the file. And as you can see now, that's inserted the file into this button link for us. Again, all we need to do is to update our page, go ahead and test this out, and then we can click the button to download the file. So there's our button, we'll click it, and you see there's our file being downloaded. Simple as that. And that covers the basics of the 4 different types of links you can create using Brizy Cloud.